use a 1-inch grid in this video, and you can see I'm using variegated thread, and I'm doing 3 little stalks to the right and then the left, then up and across. And we're just going to move in between the grids, and we're going to do exactly the same again. 3 little stalks, all going one way round the grid. It doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as they're all in this formation. And you can see with the different colours, especially the yellow there, you can see how I'm going one way around that circle so that they all fall around to make the fireworks. So I will continue going round, doing these 3 little stalks, so you can see how they all come together. And then a little bit later on, I will do a small piece in a 2-inch grid. Now we've moved on to a 2-inch grid. The chalk's a little bit messy, but you should be able to see how it's going. So again, we're just doing it over a larger grid, taking it over to the points. So we're going exactly the same, up and down. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.